Topaz Labs introduces a new finishing workflow for Adobe Premiere users, the Topaz Panel for Premiere, featuring the world's best AI-based image and video enhancing models, now accessible directly from the Premiere timeline. Get started by downloading the panel and double-clicking the installer. When the panel is installed, log into your Topaz Labs account to access cloud credits. Drag clips from a bin into the enhancement queue. Next, choose your AI model. We have precise AI video models from Topaz Video and generative AI models found in Astra. Choose the upscale resolution. You can convert the frame rate or add slow motion effects. Hit render and your clip is now sent to the Topaz Cloud for rendering. Since this is using cloud rendering, your system's resources are not tied up and you can continue editing in Premiere. Once the clips are done, the enhanced media is found in the Topaz bin. Another way to use the panel is directly from the timeline. Here we have a low-resolution NTSC commercial from 20 years ago. I'll select all the clips and add them to the panel. This media is very compressed and has soft focus, so we'll use Starlight Precise 2.5, our newest generative AI model. We'll select all and choose 4K. Again, we'll render all. Since we sent the clips from the timeline, they will be automatically inserted into our sequence on a new video track. Now we'll simply change the sequence setting from NTSC to 4K, and we now have a transformed, upscaled version. Let's look at the before and after. Lastly, the panel is not only for video. Images and photos can be added to the queue to access both precise and generative image models. For example, Wonder 3 is our newest image model, and it is designed to dramatically improve low-resolution compressed images. Here we've taken a tiny compressed image that is barely 200 pixels and upscaled it 6 times while restoring the text and removing compression artifacts. I hope you enjoyed this quick look at the Topaz panel for Premiere. To learn more, visit us at topazlabs.com.